Hello sweet friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Ashley. Welcome to my cozy little cottage. Today we are going to be decorating for fall. This is a cute little pumpkin DIY that I did last year. This I think went viral and everybody was making them, but I made mine with leftover scrap from material that I had, and I don't even remember why I had this material, but I love it because it's like a faux fur. So I pulled him back out of the bins and decided that today we are gonna focus on our little living room in here, get it all nice and cozy for fall. I am reusing most things from last year. I did not go out and buy a whole bunch of new things. I think I bought a couple of new stems. Some of them are super pretty. I found as a bunch off of Amazon for less than $10. I will link those in my description below for you. They're in that dusty blue color I talked about in my previous video that I really wanted to incorporate in this year's fall decor. I think that will be so pretty. So let's go ahead and get this cottage ready for fall. I am so excited. This is my favorite season, and I also want to show you some clips of our guest bedroom while we're at it. My home is so small that one little room wouldn't even take up an entire video I would make for all of you guys. So I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of some things that I'm putting around the house aside of just the living room. But I do have some content I'm saving for videos here coming up soon. But for now, let's go ahead and let's get this place smelling and feeling and looking like fall. We couldn't have a day of fall decorating without kicking it off with a iced pumpkin latte. And when I usually make mine, I use a little bit of pumpkin puree with some heavy cream and cinnamon and pumpkin spice seasoning. And sometimes I'll add some maple syrup just to add some sweetness. I froth it all together and I just top it over ice with oat milk and my espresso. Last year, I had gotten this large glass pumpkin candle with a lid, and I did end up saving it, and I wanted to make a new fall candle in it for this year. So I have boiled it in water to remove the excess wax from the previous candle, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my 100% soy wax pellets, and I have some different scents that are for the fall that I'm going to mix in with it so that it has a good fall smell. And I'm just going to place 3 new soy wicks in it and pour my candle over. So here we are today. I've let it set and this is how it turned out, and I cannot wait to light this with you guys a little bit later on after we have decorated.
Everything's clear if you choose to see. Just imagine what our love could be. You belong here with me. just feel so new. It's amazing what your love can do. I belong here with you. So come home, come home. So come home to me. So come home, come home. So come home to me. Home to me. We belong here. We belong together. Here's my heart, dear. You can keep forever. If you're wondering where your home.
So these dusty blue floral stems are what I ordered from Amazon. They were less than $10 a box, and they came, I believe, with 10 or more stems in the box, which made for a pretty large arrangement here that I'm placing in this little white pitcher. And we're going to do a coffee table styling. I do love supporting small businesses, and a friend of mine over on Instagram named Chase, he has this beautiful shop called Shoppe Dwell. I've mentioned it in previous videos, and I did pick up this beautiful black rustic metal tray that I'm going to style here on the coffee table with our stems. He also makes 100% soya candles himself at his shop and sells, and this is his harvest estate. He does even offer a candle club membership you can sign up for, so go show him some support and love over at his shop, Shoppe Dwell. You can find him on Instagram or even off of just an online Google search. I always keep a set of coasters here on the coffee table. These are little copper ones I picked up thrifting one day. It was a set of 4. So as our final touch, I'm just gonna rest these right here. And I think it turned out very sweet and pretty. So I wanted to show you a couple items I came across for the fall for our bar cart. These sweet little fall leaf picks I found. I love to garnish some of my drinks sometimes with olives. And then I did find this glass shaker at the thrift store. It was only $3. I could not believe I came across this. I love the gold latticing on it, and I was hoping to come across one that was gold, so I thought this was just a score. So I'm going to place them over here, and I think that adds the final fall touches to our bar cart for this season. So I want to take you over into the guest room to show you how I have styled it for the fall. I brought a lot of the dusty blue color in here, and the pops of the red, I think with the green, just looks so sweet, and then touches of sunflowers. So I did make this little sunflower pillow. My sweet friend Pam over at Pam Wilder Artworks, she painted the sunflowers on it for me, and I just think it turned out so cute. She added the little checkers because she knows how much I love them, and I've styled it here on the bed and just added some sweet ribbon to the ends. I thought it would be really sweet to do a sunflower theme in here for the fall, being that we have our
sweet sunflower sign that we picked up antiquing one day, and I love sunflowers so much anyway, so I really incorporated a lot of those with mixed in fall foliage and little pumpkins, some new artwork, and I just think it turned out so pretty. I added some different florals and fall stems and even some pumpkin picks over here to our planter box. I'm loving how beautiful the blues are tied in with these fall colors and the sunflowers. I think it's so very pretty. And I want to take a little peek here in our guest bathroom. I just added a few fall touches in here that I wanted you to see. This is a space that I don't show very often. I have placed a little bar of soap in this porcelain teacup. I think it's cute to use things like this that aren't for that purpose. And then I have this sweet artwork by my friend Mary Felty. She painted this little field and building of pumpkins that I thought was perfect to put in this space. I added some stems here to one of my white porcelain pitchers that I have on this little shelf. I have ideal things for guests like Q-tips and cotton balls. I have our little bathroom sign I thrifted a while back and towels hanging here on hooks. I like things to be not only functional but convenient for guests when they come to stay. I've styled this little shelf just with odds and ends again and a little bit of decor, some more fall stems, some little pumpkins. I have a beautiful drawing that was done here by a friend of mine, Elizabeth Hartzell over at Elizabeth Hartzell Arts. All these artists you can find on Instagram. I am big on collecting art. I think it's beautiful in a home, so I will always have art. This is a poem that my daddy wrote that I have framed here. So that's pretty much it for our little guest bathroom. Today was the perfect day for fall decorating. It's been on and off storming all day, just a rainy and gloomy day. I'm so glad that we got the house all nice and cozy and now we can just enjoy. But before we go, I wanted to show you this sweet little sunflower napkin holder I had thrifted, and I picked up a couple of packs of napkins to jumpstart our fall kitchen for the season. Stay tuned for our upcoming video. I'm going to be doing a fall kitchen decorate with me. I can't wait to get the kitchen as cozy as we have the rest of this little cottage, but I want to light our little pumpkin candle that we had made and get the home just smelling like fall too. I want to thank you all for spending the day with me. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you liked about today's decorations, if you've started your fall decorating, and what colors or things are you incorporating in your fall decor this year. I would love to know. And please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. I'd love to have you here. I have a lot more content coming up. Until then, we'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.